How many women are actually asked, do you want to study further? Do you want to get married now? How many women actually have the right to decide how many children she wants to have, right? So decision making is something that women don't really enjoy. Voices are something that women don't normally have. So we went out to at least about 300,000 women in the country, and we asked them that when you go to seek health services, be it for reproductive health, be it for maternal health, what is that one thing that you really, really want?
And for a long time, they just kept quiet, like, what to say. I mean, nobody had asked them.
हम लोग क्या चाहते हैं? What we want? Till date, nobody asked us. So you are joking with us? No, it's real. Then we have started with a small thing, and day by day it increases, and they shared their views.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि लेबर रूम में जो भी स्टाफ रहें वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग कोऑपरेटिव के साथ साथ ऐसा भी होना चाहिए कि पेशेंट से बात ज़रूर करें।
मैं चाहती हूँ कि हर अस्पताल में, हर वार्ड में एक डॉक्टर हमेशा रहे, ताकि हर मरीज़ की जो परेशानी, दिक्कतें हैं उसको दूर कर सके उसी वक्त।
मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि डॉक्टर लोग मरीज लोगों के साथ में अच्छा व्यवहार करें, अच्छे तरीकों से उन्हें देखभाल करें।
मैं चाहती हूँ हॉस्पिटल सेक्टर्स में वेस्ट डिस्पोजेबल प्रॉपर वे में होना चाहिए, ताकि जो हम सामान्य कूड़े से किसी को इन्फेक्शन दे सकते हैं वो कम हो सके।
मैं चाहती हूँ कि एक प्रेग्नेंट लेडी को ड्यूरिंग हर प्रेगनेंसी पीरियड हर तरह की फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड हों, जैसे कि डॉक्टर्स की फैसिलिटी, नर्सेज की फैसिलिटी, और व्हेन शी इज़ अबाउट टू डिलीवर तो उसको ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड हो।
मैं चाहती हूँ कि हर हॉस्पिटल में हर पेशेंट के बेड अलग अलग होना चाहिए।
We told them that in this postcard, in this piece of paper, please put in your one highest aspiration that you want. The idea was that we look at what women are asking for, and then we put forward their ask to powerful people, to policy makers who actually design and implement policies.
So we talked to tribal women, we talked to rural women, we talked to women in desert areas, we went and talked to nomadic tribes, we went and talked to women living in semi-urban areas. So there was a lot of diversity.
So the campaign, which was an Indian campaign, we started in 2017. It went global in 2018, and as of today, we have reached 1.2 million women across the world.
We came to know many things which are very basic for us as a technical person, but they are most important for women.
We looked at what women are asking for, and as you could see, women are asking for respectful care. Women are asking for no disrespect and abuse when they go to facilities. Women are asking for clean facilities. Women are asking for entitlements and a clear process of dispersing entitlements. So once we heard from women what they're asking for, we then took these asks to people who have the power to make the changes. The health minister, different members of parliament, MLAs, health officers. But what we wanted them to do was to really commit to delivering on what women are asking for.